Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into the B4X DaisyUIKit, and trust me, we're going to completely transform how you think about displaying data.
So let me ask you this. Are your app's statistics just a little bit flat? A little uninspired? Yeah, we've all been there, right? You've got this crucial data, but it's just sitting there as plain text. Well, today we're going to show you how to grab those key stats and turn them into a genuine highlight of your UI, not just some afterthought.
So how are we going to do it? The whole solution lies in two really powerful components from the DaisyUIKit for B4X. Let's break down these building blocks. Now, this isn't just about making your numbers look pretty. It's about taking that key data and elevating it into a real focal point of your user interface, giving it the context and the visual weight it actually deserves.
The system is actually elegantly simple, and it's all built on two components that just work together perfectly. First, you've got the B4XDaisyStat container. I want you to think of it as the display case. And then, inside that case, you place one or more B4XDaisyStat items, and these are the trophies that hold your actual data.
All right, so theory is great, but let's see this thing in action. We're going to start by building a single stat item from the ground up, and you'll see just how easy and intuitive this really is. At its very core, every single stat item is built from three simple text properties: a title, to label what the data is, the value, which is the key number itself, and a description, just to provide that little bit of extra context. And here they are, right in the designer. You just fill in these three fundamental properties: title, value, and description, and boom, you've instantly created a clean, structured, and really good-looking data point for your UI. Okay, now let's add some personality, some visual hierarchy. This is where we move from just being informative to being truly engaging, and we're going to do it with simple color variants. And this is where the magic happens. Just look at the difference one single property makes. By setting the value color, we're not just changing the color, we're creating an undeniable focal point. See on the left? It's just data. On the right, it's a statement. It's a call to action that your user literally cannot miss. And you are not limited to just one color, not at all. You have a full palette of theme-aware options to pick from primary and secondary to accent colors, and even status colors like success or warning. This makes sure your stats not only stand out, but they also fit perfectly within your app's existing design. Okay, text and color are powerful, for sure. But what if we could tell a story without using any words? This is where the stat component really levels up from being a data display to a true data visualization tool. See, the figure type property, this lets you add icons and other dynamic visuals right there alongside your text. This is what moves us beyond simple labels and into the realm of rich, meaningful data visualization. You have three really powerful options here. You can use SVG for crisp, scalable vector icons. You can use image for your standard bitmaps. And my personal favorite, radial, which lets you display a dynamic progress bar. I mean, how perfect is that for showing completion or capacity? Just imagine this 75% being shown by a smooth radial progress bar. It's not just a number anymore, is it? It's a visual story of completion. You can update this in real time to show download progress, a user's goal, or system capacity. It's data you can actually see. And of course, you've got full control. You can use figure color and figure size to dial in the look and feel of your icons and progress bars, making sure they're perfectly integrated and look exactly how you want them to. All right, let's zoom back out to our B4XDaisyStat container. We've built our awesome individual items, and now it's time to arrange them into a complete, professional-looking dashboard element.
This is where it all comes together so beautifully. The container's orientation property is insanely powerful, especially when you start thinking about responsive design. With just a single change, you can go from a horizontal layout that's great for a desktop dashboard to a stacked, vertical layout that's absolutely perfect for a mobile screen. It's that easy.
So there you have it, a simple yet incredibly powerful set of tools to help you stop just showing data and start showcasing it. The only question left really is, what's that first key metric that you're going to bring to life?